everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, meet the all-new 2025 Jeep Motorhome, where rugged off-road capability meets the comfort of a fully equipped home on wheels. Whether you're chasing sunsets or off-grid adventures, this might just be the most versatile vehicle of the year. From the front, it's unmistakably Jeep, iconic 7-slot grille, LED headlamps, and a bold, muscular stance. But step back, and you'll notice something unique. This isn't your average SUV. With an extended body, integrated camper shell, and high ground clearance, the Jeep Motorhome is built for both style and survival. Standard 18-inch all-terrain tires, reinforced skid plates, and available roof-mounted solar panels give it a go-anywhere attitude, literally. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a surprisingly spacious interior. Up front, you've got a digital cockpit with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree terrain camera system. Behind the driver's cabin is where it gets really interesting. The living space features a compact kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, fridge, and sink. There's a convertible dinette that turns into a queen-sized bed, and yes, it's actually comfortable. Need a shower after hitting the trail? No problem. The compact wet bath includes a shower, toilet, and sink, all in one efficient unit. Under the hood, the 2025 Jeep Motorhome is powered by a 3.0L EcoDiesel V6 engine delivering 260 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. There's also an optional plug-in hybrid variant, perfect for silent camping and short electric-only trips. With Jeep's signature 4x4 system and the Selec-Terrain traction management, you can confidently drive through snow, sand, or rocky backcountry trails. It's got a towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds, so bring the bikes, kayaks, or even a small trailer along for the ride. Tech-wise, you're looking at adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and even trailer sway control. The onboard Wi-Fi and optional Starlink satellite receiver mean you're never totally off the grid, even when you want to be. One unique selling point: modular storage. The rear compartments can be customized for adventure gear, extra batteries, or even a small drone bay for those breathtaking aerial shots. The 2025 Jeep Motorhome blends rugged exploration with real home comfort. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning a cross-country expedition, this might just be the all-in-one freedom machine you've been waiting for.